Good morning, guys. So I just woke up and I'm gonna go get some tea downstairs, but this is my last day in Chicago. What's up, people? How are y'all? I know this vlog came in super late. It's the last part of my Chicago series, my 2023 Chicago series. These vlogs have been super spaced out, but oh my god, I feel like in between, your girl has so much going on. Like, oh my god, I don't know how to even explain it, but regardless, anyways, if you've been watching my videos, thank you. If you've clicked on any of them, told a friend about them, thank you. I'm gonna be super intentional, or try my best at least, with my hobby and content creating and posting my content. So 2024, here we are, live and present, and I hope everyone's having a good year so far. I've had a mixed kind of vibe so far this January, but you know, we're gonna stick it out, we're gonna be fine. But here's the last part of my vlog. Make sure you comment, like it, share it, whatever. But thank you for watching. I really appreciate y'all. Also, since it is the new year, how's everyone doing? What are your goals? What has happened so far? You know, it's already the mid-January. Time is moving. Life is zooming. I actually went to Jamaica with my mom for our birthdays this month. So, whoop whoop. I went to Montego Bay, and it was a really good trip just to detox and think about life and what I really want for this year. And I'm also in the thick of applying to schools again and just being the best person I can be, honestly. I just wanted to say how grateful I am to even make it to 2024. I know a lot of people did not, so blessings on blessings, honestly. Like, you have to really count your blessings and be grateful and show gratitude no matter what.